In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some no-tie shoelaces. So they came in this little package here, and it shows on the back, I can't even pronounce it, Yunying Elastic No-Tie Shoelaces, Active Sports, and these are in black color. Nice little packaging here. Let's see what all comes with them here. So what these are replacement for shoelaces, but check this out. They're elastic. Look at that. They're actually a lot longer than I thought they would be. So you would tie these on, and then you put these little end caps on them. Let me look over the instructions. So you see how this works. You thread them through like you normally would. You put the little end cap on, you cut them, burn it, and then the way these work, these little ties, they unscrew. Very simple. Really cool. It turns every shoe into like a slip-on shoe. So let me grab an older pair of running shoes that I got, and let me go ahead and put these in there. Let's see what they look like, because this looks pretty easy to work with. So yeah, let's do that now. So I took the old laces out, and it looks like you're going to thread it up just like you would a normal shoelace. So let me thread this up, then we'll come back. Okay, there it is, everybody. You see how it basically just laces up like a normal lace shoe? So now what I'm going to do, get a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut this one, and then I'm going to take this off right there. I should have ran it through there before I cut it. You know what? I make a lot of mistakes in life. So now let me try to run this through there and get that in there. Okay, so what you want to do before you cut it, you want to run these little things down on there. So you see how this side still has the little eyelet on there? Stick that through there. Run that down to where you want it, and you see how they've done it in the instructions right here. They've tied them together, and they've just basically cut them and then like screwed them together. So that seemed to work just perfect on that. So let's do that. So once you put the little knot on there, tie a knot in the end of it, cut it off. Get you a little bit of lighter, tighten that up. See how that goes up like that? And then screw them together. Just like that. Now, these are done. So let's put the shoe on and see what they look like on the foot. Oh, that worked perfect. Yeah. No tie. Y'all see that? Look how clean that looks. I like the looks of that. And see, now to slip them off, I just slip them off like that. To put them back on, you know, I wanted them a little tighter so that way they don't fall off my foot, but then to put them back on, just hold it on. And just like that. Very cool. So yeah, let me do the other shoe, and then we'll go for a run. See y'all in the next video.